I am back at it with the Behr to DIY for contest, and it's time to refinish this dining room table. I started out stripping down the tabletop and sanding down the sides so I could start spray painting the sides black. I went with the satin finish here and then added this beautiful antique copper to the base to give it a new style. All right, this is so awesome. Now it's time to start working on the tabletop itself, pre-staining it and then using the water-based stain by Behr to add to the surface. I added a little water here because I felt like it worked a little bit easier and made the process and technique a little bit smoother. I love the way this is looking. It's drying, but now it's time to start working on my thrifted and Dollar Tree finds for my tabletop. I found these chargers at Goodwill and I am spray painting them the same antique copper and adding some details on these thrifted finds as well. I'm using the same satin black that I used on the legs of the table and I'm adding it into details. I'm trying to pull in colors from my carpet and the natural wood tones throughout the house. This is a leftover piece of wood that I had from another project, so I wanted to make a table runner with it, but give it something that has a different and unique look to it, adding a little contrast to my tabletop centerpiece. I cannot believe that everything here was either I already had it, I found it at a thrift store, or at the Dollar Tree, but it looks amazing and I cannot believe that I did this entire dining room makeover for $120. This doesn't even look like the same table. I'm so proud of how it turned out. There are so many pieces of this table that I absolutely love, but what is your favorite part of this project? Tell me in the comments below.